The rule is, this is what you have to keep in mind. This participant list is harassing me like anything. This statement is damn important. Okay, are you okay with this statement?
Yes, sir.
Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Let's move to then this 6.2. This is already done, so I am not going to that part. 6.3. Draw a diagram, all of you, and when I ask you, show it on the screen.
Sir, रुको, diagram draw करो.
Okay. Are you ready with the diagram?
No, sir.
What you have to draw? Circular coil.
Circular coil.
Radius. Keep on answering fast.
Radius 10 centimeter.
Turns.
And 500.
Resistance.
2 ohm.
So 2 ohm is the resistance of the winding itself. Okay. How it is arranged?
Perpendicular to the
Plane
horizontal.
perpendicular to horizontal component of earth magnetic field. Okay. So how would it look? Let's say this is horizontal magnetic field of the earth.
सर ऐसा भी तो कर ही सकते हैं ना कि सर्कुलर कॉइल को 2D में ड्रॉ कर दे, फिर क्रॉस से या डॉट से उसको डिनोट कर दे. BS.
Today you people are not audible to me. Volume is highest.
शिवम थोड़ा जोर से बोले सब.
सर अगर हम कॉइल को 2D में ड्रॉ करें,
किस में ड्रॉ करें?
2D में, और फिर मैग्नेटिक फील्ड को क्रॉस से या डॉट से डिनोट कर दे तो
चलेगा? Yeah, I'm showing it like this. This is your coil. Okay. This plane is vertical.
Yes.
Okay, and now its area vector is in this direction. Let's say A. So initially theta equal to 0 degree.
सर
Yes.
खुशी को ऐड करो ना.
जैनिंग करो जैनिंग.
Okay. What is done afterwards? कॉइल को रोटेट करके ये आगे वाला भाग पीछे गया. एरिया वेक्टर विल पॉइंट दिस वे. Magnetic field is still pointing rightward. So theta is now 180 degree. Okay, what is question? Find magnitude of EMF epsilon, current I. So say phi initial is BA cos theta, here it is cos 0, in phi final it is cos 180. Take subtraction, that will give you change in flux delta phi. Put value of N and delta T, you will get 3.8 millivolt. This is 3.8 millivolt. And you divide voltage by resistance, you get current. Okay?
Yes.
Yes, sir.
Now Lenz law and conservation of energy. And what is the law of conservation of energy?
Energy
Sir,
can neither
recording.
be created nor
Yeah, recording is on.
be transferred.
Let's say there is a coil here, a solenoid, and there is a bulb. There is a magnet here.
सर
Yes.
जयगिरी को भी लो ना अंदर
क्या बोले?
जयगिरी को अंदर
आ गया. ये नॉर्थ पोल है and this is south pole. This is going inside towards. Okay. So the story is magnet moves towards coil. Okay. Coil experiences what? Change in flux.
Yes.
Okay. Therefore, I current is induced in it, in solenoid. Yes or no?
सर
Therefore,
आपका
सर
वॉइस
आपका आवाज नहीं आ रहा है.
सर आपका वॉइस नहीं आ रहा.
ऐसा है.
आपका वॉइस बहुत कट हो रहा है.
सर आपने 5 के बाद जो लिखा ना उसके बाद से वॉइस नहीं आया.
सर
यस.
सर
हाँ,
सर
बोलो, सुनाई दे रहा है.
सर
होल्ड ऑन.
सर आपका वॉइस
Am I
आपने
audible?
सर 5 आपने लिखा ना
हाँ.
उसके बाद से नहीं आया.
Okay.
5
ठीक है.
डेल्टा 5.
Hold on for a moment.
यस. सर
Hello. Am I audible now?
हाँ सर.
No.
यस सर.
I'm getting conflicting
Yes, sir.
answers. I'm audible now?
यस
sir.
सर.
Okay.
शिवम जी में बोल रहे हैं.
Current is induced in solenoid. So what was that? The moment magnet move towards the coil will experience change in flux delta phi. Now because of change in flux, current is induced in the solenoid. So solenoid becomes an electromagnet. Right or wrong?
यस सर.
Therefore,
Yes,
it
sir.
must have north pole and south pole. So here one of the end is north and opposite is south, and if this is south, this is north. There is no doubt about that. Till this point all is well.
नो.
Yes,
यस
sir.
सर.
Okay. Now let's say this is south pole. Then this is has to be north pole.
यस सर.
Now we agree this condition that end of coil facing magnet develops south pole. Now what would happen? Now what?
Plus
Physics will crumble into pieces. Why? Now see, between south and north, which force would be present? Attractive or repulsive?
magnetic.
Hello? I'm asking this to 12
Attractive.
science students.
Attractive.
Which force would be present?
Attractive.
Attractive. Now,
Attractive force.
Attractive.
so there was a gentle push initially, but now there is force of attraction, so magnet will move automatically. So force of attraction between solenoid and magnet will make magnet move on its own. Now push देने की जरूरत नहीं है. Now as magnet moves faster, now there will be larger change in flux. That will lead to more current, and that will lead to strong south pole. South pole will create again force of attraction. Magnet will move faster,
Wrong.
more change in flux, more current, more strong south pole, more force of attraction, and though you had given gentle push in which you have spent 1 joule of energy, here the bulb will glow very bright because 100 joule energy was produced. 1 joule input, 100 joule output. It
अच्छा,
happens
ये-
only in Google Form exam. In theory exam, when we give, people copy at the leisure of home, submit the answer after making PDF file, 1 joule input and 100 joule marks. Don't you think this is violation of law of conservation of energy?
Yes.
अगर ऐसा ही होता तो I can make one gun. यह तो जैसे नजदीक आएगा, थोड़ा नजदीक आएगा, there is more and more strong south pole, strong force of attraction. Now this will go like a bullet. और आपने तो यहाँ पे जेंटल सा पुश ही दिया था एक, जैसे आप कैरम खेलने के टाइम पे स्ट्राइक करते हो, कभी ऐसा देखा कि हल्के से पुश किया था स्ट्राइकर को, फिर लाइक इट वेंट लाइक ए बुलेट और सामने वाले बैट को शॉट कर दिया? नॉट
No,
पॉसिबल,
sir.
डजंट
No,
हैपन.
sir.
तो हमने ये जो स्टोरी दिखा पूरा, एक यहाँ पे कहीं झोल है. ये जो पूरा स्टोरी है इसमें कहीं पे झोल है.
इसमें जोर है कि बाद में वापस कैसे आएगा?
कैन यू टेल व्हाट इज दैट झोल?
एक बार अंदर डाला तो वापस कैसे मतलब आएगा? हम निकलेंगे तो ही ना आएगा.
नाउ द होल स्टोरी इज इन फ्रंट ऑफ यू. कहानी में झोल क्या है? कहां से थिंग्स गलत हो गया?
नॉर्थ पोल इसमें है ही नहीं.
दिस एंड
End
should
of
not
coil.
be south pole, it should have been
नॉर्थ पोल.
north pole. So between north pole and north pole, which force would act?
रिपल्सिव.
Repulsive.
Okay. So instead of south pole, what should have come? North pole.
नॉर्थ पोल.
Okay. Instead of force of attraction, what would be there now?
रिपल्शन.
There is repulsion. Force of
रिपल्शन.
repulsion. Therefore, we need to push magnet this implies we need to
to
spend
spend
energy
our energy.
which is mechanical energy,
Mechanical to
and
electric.
now the current induced current in the solenoid gives electrical energy, and mechanical energy, that whatever we are spending must be equal to electrical energy. So here law of
But sir,
conservation of energy. Hello, am I audible?
yes sir. पर
Law
सर
of
इसमें
conservation of
हीट
energy,
एनर्जी नहीं होगी डिसिपेट.
यहाँ पे ओके है, और ये जो स्टोरी हमने लिखा था यहाँ पे लॉ ऑफ कंजर्वेशन ऑफ एनर्जी वाज वायोलेटेड. So this is not possible. Which one is possible? This one. Do you get it?
यस सर.
Okay.
सर पर इसमें हीट एनर्जी डिसिपेट नहीं होगी.
हाँ, डिसिपेट होगी ना. कहीं पर भी हीट तो प्रेजेंट होगी ही होगी, बट वी इग्नोर दैट पार्ट फॉर द टाइम बीइंग, फॉर सेक ऑफ सिंप्लिसिटी. Okay, so now you have to tell me. I'm drawing diagrams. Okay. Keep thinking what could be the question.
पोलैरिटी सोलेनॉइड की.
Okay, let's start with diagram 1. Magnet is going closer to the solenoid. Will there be induced current in the
Yes.
solenoid at that time?
Yeah.
Yes.
यस.
So this will become an electromagnet.
यस.
Yes. So what and this would be north or south?
नॉर्थ.
North. Why north? Then only there will be opposition, no?
यस.
Then only you need to spend mechanical energy, which gets converted into electrical energy.
इलेक्ट्रिकल एनर्जी.
Okay, magnet came close to the magnet, second diagram, and it is at rest.
नो
ये कौन सा
इलेक्ट्रिकल
होगा?
एनर्जी.
North or south?
कौन सा? ये एक भी नहीं होगा.
ये एक भी नहीं होगा. There is no magnetism. Why?
क्योंकि उसमें
Current ही flow नहीं हो
फ्लक्चुएशन
रहा
नहीं हो
है.
रहा.
There is no flow of current. Why there is no flow of current? Because there is no change in flux.
No.
Why there is no change in flux?
केवल
Because magnet is at rest. Third diagram पे आओ.
है.
Magnet is taken away. Will this coil experience change in flux?
यस.
Yes. What is difference between diagram 1 and 3?
Magnet is taken away and
Magnet is
enforcing
brought near to the surface.
तो इसमें मैग्नेटिक फील्ड
Yeah.
मैग्नेटिक फील्ड कम होगी, और पहले वाले में
Magnetic
मैग्नेटिक
field
फील्ड
ज्यादा होगी.
सही है.
Okay. So here magnet was coming closer. So was experiencing higher and higher change in flux. In third diagram, magnet is taken away. So this solenoid is experiencing smaller and smaller magnetic flux. So यहाँ पे जो
Yes.
एक्सपीरियंस हो रहा था उससे ओपोजिट एक्सपीरियंस यहाँ पे हो रहा है. तो करंट का डायरेक्शन यहाँ पे जो भी फ्लो हो रहा था उससे
उल्टा होगा.
ऑपोजिट फ्लो होगा. तो ये अगर नॉर्थ पोल था तो ये कौन सा बन जाएगा?
साउथ पोल.
साउथ.
South Pole.
Now there is force of attraction while you are taking away. So taking away will again you need to spend energy to take it away. It means you have to spend mechanical energy that gets converted into electrical energy. Remember,
सर वापिस
I'm explaining it
होना
again.
है ना.
When you are trying to bring magnet closer, there was force of repulsion. And to overcome this repulsion force, you have to spend mechanical energy. When you are taking magnet away, now there is attraction. To overcome this attraction force, you have to, if you want to keep the magnet pulled away, you have to spend energy, mechanical energy. You are spending that gets converted into electrical energy. Are you getting it? So
Yes,
here-
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Do you agree that
सर
motion of magnet,
वापिस रिकनेक्ट होना है ना.
is opposed? Shall I write same statement here?
सर आपका ट्रांसफर है सर.
लैग हो रहा है. सर लैग हो रहा है.
Okay, that last this came opposed is seen by you.
Yes,
Yes,
sir.
sir.
Okay, see, I'm writing two angular brackets and two statements. Both the statements are same. Here when you're trying to bring the magnet closer, the coil behaved in such a way it disliked the motion of the magnet. There was repulsion. You are trying to bring them closer, but there is force of repulsion. Okay, and when you're trying to take the magnet away, again the coil acts in such a way that there is force of attraction. So again the motion of the magnet is opposed. Okay, now fourth diagram.
सर
South-
रिकनेक्ट होना है.
हाँ होना है.
ओके सर.
Now you tell me this end will be which pole?
South
South
Pole.
Pole.
South pole. Okay, then only there will be a repulsion, and I can write that same bracket here. Motion of magnet is opposed. And in fifth diagram, when you take the magnet away, this end will become north pole. There will be attraction. Same bracket. Motion of magnet is opposed. पता चला?
यस सर.
Yes, sir.
Okay, so I conclusion, induced EMF
ऑपोजिट द
in coil will set up magnetic field in such a way so as to oppose
इट्स ओन कॉल.
the cause of it, right?
यस
So,
सर.
you can verify, so you can see it here. Here current was set up, EMF was such that, current was such that the magnetic field was opposing the cause. What is the cause? Motion of the magnet. Was that caused opposed here?
यस सर.
Here magnet is taken away, that is the cause. तो यहाँ पे EMF ऐसा set हुआ because of the current was set in such a way, magnetic field was set in such a way that this became south pole. Now south and north force of attraction, again it is opposing the cause. Cause is taking the magnet away. Same way here, When you brought south pole close, again the motion of the magnet was opposed.
और ऐसा
हेलो, क्या हुआ?
सर सर सर
यस यस यस.
आपका आपका वॉइस बहुत मिक्स हो गया।
सर और वो भी बहुत स्पीड में हो गया था कि कुछ समझ ही नहीं आया।
स्पीड में हो गया था, और आप जो बोले ना पहले और जो अभी बोल रहे थे ना, उसमें मिक्स हो गया था।
Okay,
ऐसा
this
लेगा
issue will go now. Okay. Once we reconnect, no, there is still time. No, there is no time. Upon the reconnection, this issue will not come. I'll change the network. Okay.
ओके
So let us continue, and then upon the reconnection, uh, you read this statement and do you agree or not, that you tell me. This was the moral of the story.
यस सर।
Okay, Chana?
यस सर।
Okay. So we started at 10, 11, 10, no?
11:05
11, 5.
11:05
So 11:45, right? It should end. So we are left with 3 minutes. So we'll not waste time. Okay. Now look at the Lenz's law. If you remember, I said epsilon equal to negative delta phi by delta t, right?
यस
And
Yes, sir.
negative sign we'll discuss. Now do you say understand why there is negative sign?
Yes,
because
sir.
it the direction is opposed.
So change in
Opposite to
flux,
the-
it is negative delta phi. This is the cause. So if I write negative epsilon equal to delta phi by delta t, nothing is wrong, no? Now this is the cause and this is the effect.
Yes.
Effect will set, that effect means induce EMF, it will set current. Current will set magnetic field, and that magnetic field will oppose the cause. Are you getting it?
Yes, sir.
So that's why there is negative sign, because induced EMF is always opposite. It is like that. Generally at this age you will have disagreement with your parents in many cases, right? So you are the induced EMF epsilon, right? Delta phi by delta t is your parents or teachers, and you always oppose. These are you. You people always oppose the cause of it. Cause, parent, whatever the smartness that you have, whatever the intelligence that you have, it is because of parents. So this is your smartness. You use it against your parents and teachers. Induced EMF is always opposite. Now understood? Perfectly. Right? Am I audible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this is it. Now
सर
connection
अब
will break
डिस्कनेक्ट हो जाएगा।
and then we'll reconnect. Okay. So I'm changing everything. Okay, now do you see this part?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So this explains why induced EMF equal to negative of time rate of change of flux. Okay, sir?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Uh, we are here. Read this statement. This is Lenz's law. And this is negative sign is because of this. This all part is explained. Now you can be asked, when north pole is approaching towards any coil, then north should experience a repulsive force from this coil or this loop. So this must be a north pole. So a trick is shown that current must be flowing in anti-clockwise. So whenever north pole approaches any coil, the coil will set up current. The current will be in anti-clockwise direction, so that it makes north pole here, so that there is force of repulsion, so that this magnet you need to push, so that you are spending mechanical energy, so that law of conservation of energy remains intact, so that the universe remains intact, so that we remain alive. Understood?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now suppose north pole is taken away, then this face of the coil must become south. And if it is south pole, you can draw S like this. So current must be flowing clockwise direction. Okay. This is in accordance with Lenz's law. Okay.
Yes, sir.
Okay. Okay. You are shown planar loops of different shapes moving out or into the region of magnetic field, which is directed normal to the plane of the loop. Determine direction of current. This is entering into the region of magnetic field. Now what is meaning of cross?
Magnetic field is inside.
Inside. Okay. So what kind of magnetic field this should produce? This loop ABCD should produce opposite to that.
Opposite.
It should come
So-
outside.
Yes, sir.
So current should flow anti-clockwise.
BCDA.
ABCDA. Okay. Now here the triangle is going out. Triangle is going out. So which kind of magnetic field should produced? In the direction of
Direction.
present magnetic field.
Up
So here current should
BAC.
flow clockwise.
BAC.
ACBA. This way. So that magnetic field is going
ना होता है
inside the page.
डिटरमाइन से ऐसे डिटरमाइन मतलब जैसे कि कितने मतलब जैसे फील्ड लाइन इंक्रीजिंग हो रही है तो डिक्रीज हो रही है जैसे मैग्नेट के अंदर कंसीडर मतलब मैग्नेट दूर जा रहा है मतलब फील्ड लाइन कम हो रही है तो फिर एंटी क्लॉक नहीं फिर क्लॉकवाइज
Okay.
फील्ड लाइन इंक्रीजिंग है तो फिर तो फिर एंटी क्लॉकवाइज, और फील्ड लाइन डिक्रीजिंग है
So
तो क्लॉकवाइज।
towards and outward, your direction of current will get reversed. Okay. Now see, when this loop is entering, what is happening to it? Flux is increasing or decreasing? When any loop enters into the magnetic field, flux
increases.
increases. Okay. So this is that line.
सर
Yes.
सर द्वितीय को ऐड करो ना।
Okay. Magnetic flux is increasing.
Yes, sir.
Why flux is increasing?
Because loop is
Motion of the
circular.
loop.
Yes.
तो होना क्या चाहिए ना, motion of the loop should be opposed.
हाँ.
So induced current must flow along the path A B C D B A. So it opposes the flux. How do you oppose the flux? B
By
C
radical-
D A B, this way. So then only it will oppose the flux.
मतलब ऊपर की
Same way
तरफ.
you can answer all the remaining. Do I need to explain it any further?
No, sir.
Example 6.5. First, closed loop is held stationary in the magnetic field. Can we hope to generate current in the loop?
No,
Why no?
because no variation in any of the three.
Magnetic field is there, it is very strong. वो बात सही है
तो
कि very
आप-
strong magnets. But
पर
is
वो
there any
vary
change
नहीं
in magnetic field? No. Will there be any change in flux? No.
No.
Okay. B.
Closed
A
loop
closed loop moves normal to the constant electric field between the plates of a large capacitor. Is a current induced in the loop?
Yes.
When it is wholly inside the region between the capacitor plates.
होली इनसाइड होगा तो नहीं होगा उसमें कोई करंट.
Inside तो क्या है? सिर्फ इलेक्ट्रिक फील्ड. Can
हाँ.
change in electric field, or it is electric field is also constant. Can
नहीं
electric
है.
field be responsible for current in the loop?
No.
Okay.
सर उसमें पार्ट
No current is induced in either case. Why?
क्योंकि उसमें मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स वेरी नहीं कर रहा.
Because whatever is happening is electric flux might be changing, might not be changing, but we have nothing to bother about that. Because what is important is
मैग्नेटिक फ्लक्स.
magnetic flux. Just hold on, all of you. हाँ मैं हाँ મારે હું ગઈકાલે જ થઈ જાત પણ મારી પાસે CS અને ઇંગ્લિશ આજે જ કરો. હા મને એ પહેલાં છે ને હું કહું તમને. हाँ कॉमन जाएगा लेकिन हितेश नहीं, आई हैव म्यूटेड. CS का मार्क्स वो मार्क्स सॉरी उसका सिलेबस नहीं आया था कल, मैंने उसको रिमाइंडर भेजा. हाँ भेज दिया. और एक था अपने इंग्लिश का गीता मैडम का आ गया है. तो मैं अभी ये मेरा सेकंड मीटिंग ख़त्म होगा ना? हाँ, नहीं 1 से 1:30 के बीच में, क्योंकि मैं सब डेटा एंटर करना पड़ेगा ना। हाँ 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 ठीक है, ओके ओके। सो मोरल ऑफ द स्टोरी इसका यही था। कहाँ गया वो? हाँ, in this B case there was change in electric flux, and that is not important to us. Okay, same way, will you be able to solve C and D?
Yes, sir.
Okay, motional EMF.
समय तो देखो.
Have you ever heard about that?
Yes, sir.
Okay, so we'll complete it in short time. There is U-shaped wire. It is aluminum wire. Here also you have got one more aluminum wire which can slide without the friction. Its length is L and this distance is X. And let's say magnetic field lines are passing perpendicular to it. So B is perpendicular to cross sectional area, sorry, parallel to A. B and A both are parallel, so theta equal to 0. Flux phi is going to be BA cos theta equal to BA cos 0. Okay, right now it is like that. Now this is moved inside with velocity v. So at time t equal to t it was here. After some time, let's say it is moved in opposite direction, v this side. It comes to this new place, and distance increase is delta x. And time is t plus delta t. Okay, so initially flux was BA, so I can write phi equal to B into A. Instead of A I can write L into X. You have got a square or rectangle whose length is L and breadth is X. So area equal to Lx. That is written here. Okay, now when the wire was sliding, there was change in flux d phi by dt. So I have to write d by dt of B L x. B and L are constant. What is varying is the position x, so dx by dt. Now d phi by dt I can write minus epsilon from Faraday's law equal to B L. Now dx by dt is V. So epsilon equal to negative B L V. Why there is negative sign here? Why EMF is induced? Because of this velocity. This is the cause, and EMF will always oppose the cause, so there is negative sign. In this diagram, when you are pulling the wire rightward, current would set in such a way it will oppose the movement of the wire. The velocity is rightward, it will oppose it, and that's why in final answer we got negative sign. Okay, any doubt?
No.
No. Okay, then I'm concluding the meeting within 1 minute, otherwise connection will break. Okay.